Denbighshire County Council are most disappointed at the news on Wednesday that 2,400 of our residents are not going to benefit from the Superfast broadband programme. Nowadays, Superfast broadband touches every element of life. It's things like engagement with the NHS, it's engagement with DVLA, it's children in those 2,400 properties and their ability to do their homework online just to make sure they get a good head start in life. The thought of switching off my broadband in a modern household absolutely mortifies me. The number of interactions I have each day with different associations and the quality of those interactions, I couldn't imagine living without it. So yes, I really do understand their frustration. The Welsh Assembly does have the ABC programme where they encourage residents that can't benefit from broadband to approach and seek funding to try and solve the problem themselves. But rather than have 2,400 households facing the frustration and trying to solve this problem for themselves and to have that duplication, we would much rather encourage local communities and the town councils to come and engage with us, because we take this very seriously and we've tried to engage to the best of our ability with the Welsh Assembly and BT, because this is such an important subject. So come and work with us, and hopefully together we'll be able to solve this problem in a more efficient way, and we'll do it faster.